Dear students, welcome in science class. Class 8, Unit 14, Acid, Base and Salt. Topics: Acid, Properties of acid, Uses of acid, Base, Properties of base, Uses of base, Salt, Properties of salt, Uses of salt, Indicator, pH scale. Acid, the chemical compound which gives hydrogen ions with water, is called acid. Example: citric acid, formic acid, acetic acid, sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid. Properties of acid: it gives hydrogen ions with water. It changes blue litmus paper into red. It has sour taste. Uses of acid: for chemical reactions in laboratory, for various purposes in industry and factory, to make soda water, Coca-Cola, beers, etc. To make sour pickles. Base: the chemical compound which gives hydroxide ions with water is called base. Example: sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, sodium oxide, magnesium oxide. Properties of base: it gives hydroxide ions with water. It changes red litmus paper into blue. It has bitter taste. Uses of base: To use as medicine, antacid, to cure gastric disease. To remove the hardness of water. To make chemical fertilizer. To make soap and paper. Salt. The substance formed by combining positive radical of base with negative radical of acid is called salt. Example: sodium chloride, copper sulfate. Properties of salt. Salts are salty, bitter, or tasteless. Salts are soluble with water. Some salts are colorful, some are colorless. Most of salts are neutral to litmus paper. Uses of salt: to cook vegetables and curry, to make medicine of constipation, to make chemical fertilizer, to plaster the fractured bone, to use as baking powder. Indicator: the organic substance which is used to identify acid, base, or neutral substance is called indicator. Example: litmus paper, methyl orange, phenolphthalein. Indicator: acid, base, salt. Red litmus, red, blue, neutral. Blue litmus, red, blue, neutral. Methyl orange, red, yellow, neutral. Phenolphthalein, colorless, pink, neutral. Universal indicator: the mixture of indicators which indicates the acid, base, and neutrality with their strength is called universal indicator. It is found in paper form and solution form. pH scale. The scale, which has a series of numbers ranging from 1 to 14, is called pH scale. The concentration of hydrogen ion present in the solution is pH value. 1 and 2 indicates strong acid. 7 indicates neutral substance. 13 and 14 indicates strong base. Preparation of litmus paper. The corolla of flower is ground with sand. Alcohol is mixed with the mixture. The liquid is filtered. Liquid is kept in the bottle. A paper is dipped in liquid. In this way, litmus paper is formed. Lemon and amla has sour taste because they have acid. An acid should be handled with care because it has burning effects. Skin burns when we touch nettle because it consists acid. The skin burns when an ant bites because it injects us formic acid. Aluminium hydroxide is used for gastric patients because it is base and neutralizes the acid. Calcium oxide, lime, is used in soil by farmer because it is base and neutralizes the acidity of soil. Sodium chloride is used as kitchen salt because it has salty taste and makes food delicious. pH value of hydrochloric acid is 1 because it is strong acid. pH value of water is 7 because it is neutral substance.